Bush Foundation exists because of innovation. Innovation built 3M into one of the world's largest companies and made Archibald Bush a wealthy man. And with his wealth, he and his wife Edith created the Bush Foundation. The Bush Foundation has encouraged and supported innovation ever since. In the last 60 years, we've supported innovation in the areas of education, Native nations, the arts, and a variety of other issues important to communities in our region. We've been working in education really since the very earliest years of the foundation. It continues to be a priority for us today. Beginning in the 1970s, the Bush Foundation funded really leading national and local work on early childhood development based on our understanding of research that pointed out the critical importance of the 0 to 3 years in a child's development. In 2009, the Foundation's support of education took on a new focus. We launched a 10-year, $40 million initiative to transform teacher preparation in our region. We're working with 14 higher ed institutions to fundamentally change how they recruit and train and support teachers to ensure that every child in our region has the excellent teacher that they deserve. We've partnered with tribal nations for decades, and we've worked together on lots of great projects, from tribal law libraries, tribal colleges, health and human service programs, and culture and language preservation efforts. The Foundation's work with Native nations shifted in 2009 when we committed to a decade of support for the 23 Native nations in our region to create their own agendas for rebuilding their nations. In 2010, we launched the Native Nation Rebuilders Program, which supports and connects existing and emerging Native leaders who are working with their tribal leadership to advance the tribe's nation-building agenda. The Bush Foundation has a long history of investing in the arts, which was a passion of Edith Bush. Edith was an actress and a playwright who founded the Edith Bush Little Theater in St. Paul. Support for the arts included fellowships for individual artists through the Bush Artist Program, which in its over 30-year history named more than 400 Bush Artist Fellows. It also included a program to honor mature artists with the $100,000 Enduring Vision Award. Arts and cultural groups of all sizes have been major beneficiaries of Foundation funding programs focused on the arts, including the Regional Arts Development Program, which provided unrestricted strategic funding for mid-sized nonprofits. The arts are an important part of the Bush Foundation legacy, and going forward, we're committed to ensuring that the arts are evident in our work. The Foundation's current community innovation programs build on a long legacy of grants to make great ideas happen. A Bush Foundation grant in 1974 established Women's Advocates as the country's very first battered women's shelter. And in the 1980s, the Foundation helped fund the Domestic Abuse Intervention Project, a program that created the Duluth model, now the national standard for domestic violence prevention. The foreign-born population in the region that the Bush Foundation serves has increased dramatically through the years, and the Bush Foundation has responded with grants to nonprofits committed to helping immigrants and refugees, especially in delivering vital early services during resettlement. In 2013, we launched new community innovation grant initiatives, including the Bush Prize, which honors and supports innovative organizations with a track record of making great ideas happen. The Bush Prize provides creative capital for organizations to use however they choose. As we look to the future, we're excited and optimistic for the innovation to come. In all that we do, we want to build on the best of the last 60 years to do more good every year.